to transfer stock from Bamboo to another broker. Transferring your shares and cash from another brokerage platform to Bamboo is very easy. First of all, you must have created a Bamboo account in the same name you use on your current broker. Fractional shares cannot be transferred, so you have to sell them on your current broker, then move the cash to Bamboo. Once this is completed, you have to fill out a ACAT transfer form and share it with support@investbamboo.com. When Bamboo receive your completed ACAT transfer form, they will initiate the transfer on your behalf with our brokerage partner DriveWet. Please note that DriveWet charges a fee of $65 for transfer from another platform powered by DriveWet to Bamboo. As such, you'll be expected to have this amount in the brokerage account you are transferring from to cover these fees. And also, this process takes about 7 to 10 business days to be completed after the requests have been submitted to DriveWet. And here are the steps on how to transfer stocks from Bamboo to another broker app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.